Are you interested to make money with ads revenue on YouTube? So, many people talk about make money on YouTube, make passive income on YouTube, right? Because I think that is one of the simplest way on how to make money online, and it's true. But most people also end up fail to do that because in order to make money on YouTube, you have to provide content. You have to record a video. So recording a video, providing the content, kind of really intimidating to most people also, including me. You are really lucky because in this particular video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can do that without making the content by your own. And also, if you stick with me until the end of this video, I'm also going to be sharing with you what types of video that can bring you a lot of views. So before we dive into our content, if this is your first time into my channel, welcome to my channel. My name is Zaidi Mustafa, and in this particular channel, I'm going to be sharing with you a lot of video, a lot of method and strategy on how to make money online. And the most important thing, I'm going to be sharing with you only the easiest way on how to make money, because I know most of you who consume my content in my YouTube channel is newbie. So I want you to able to start right after you finish watching all of my video in my channel. So without further ado, let's dive into our content. So before we go, I want to explain to you there is a two type of YouTuber on YouTube. First is called content creator. So who is content creator? Content creator is the one who make the video by their own. For example, like vlogger, right? So they went to some nice places and then they vlog, they took the picture, they record the video of that environment of that place, you know, the food and stuff like that. So they are actually creating the content by their own. So that is content creator. Another example, let's say like a food channel, right? So maybe they're really good on cooking, so they cook and they filming their while they're cooking, but maybe they wanted to share with you their new recipe and stuff like that. So they are actually, all these people, all these YouTuber, we call content creator, who is create their content by their own. And another one is called content creator, which is, that is the reason why I'm filming this video today, and you're going to know how to be a content creator as well. So content creator is the one who not actually I would say like we are not going to do any content, but instead we are going to take other people's content and then we edit and then we merge, or we can just simply download other people's content and then reuse it back with legally, you know. So it is not illegal, but it's legal. I'm going to be sharing with you how to do that just a moment, right? So please stick with me until the end of this video. So now you might wondering what the heck that I'm talking about. Are we able to download other people's content on YouTube and reuse it back, edit it back, or doing whatever we want? If that is your question, and my answer is big fat yes. You are able to do that by YouTube, because YouTube is the one who give you that permission to do that, right? So it's bring us to Creative Commons on YouTube. This is what this entire video is all about, because I wanted to sharing with you the easiest way on how to make money on YouTube with YouTube ads revenue. So, you know, like I told you before, creating content might be scary to some people or to most people. So that is the reason why I come out with this solution. Just wanted to help you out so that you don't even have to create your own content, but instead just use other people's content that has this Creative Commons on that video and reuse it back. Or if you want to edit it, just download it, edit that video and upload it back in your channel, because the Creative Commons on YouTube, it has the right, right? You know, the video people has the right to reuse and edit that video. Let's show you some proof. Okay, here I'm landing on YouTube help. So if you have some time, you can read the entire article, but just pay close attention to this portion. By making your original content, original video with a Creative Commons license, you are granting the entire YouTube community the right to reuse and edit that video. That's it. So it is really simple. So after this, you don't have to, scratching your head, of to creating your own content. Just simply go to other people's content that you thought can generate a lot of views, and then download that video and upload it back into your channel. So speaking to a video that has a lot of view, sometimes this is also really intimidating to YouTubers because they don't know how to search for the videos that has a lot of views. So it's bring us to step number 4, which is type of video that bring a lot of views. Right, as you can see here, baby song, relaxing music, sleep music, rain sound, nature sounds, baby sleep music. I know what are you thinking, because you maybe think that all this keyword, all this type of song, not really popular. It's not like Lady Gaga song or any other superstar on YouTube that has millions of views. But if you pay really close attention here, it has 670,000 searches per month, guys. It's huge. It's insane. If you could get some small portion from this 600,000, you could make a lot of money already, because baby song has a lot of follower, has a lot of viewer, because maybe whenever they wanted to sleep their baby, it's really hard, baby keep on crying, so they land on YouTube and search for some cool song, very soft song to making their baby sleep, and that is the reason why it has a lot of views, right? So like relaxing music, this is specifically for people who really stress at work, and when they get back home they wanted to relax, and they land over to YouTube, and they're searching for some relaxing music. So that is the reason why it has a lot of views also, searches per month, 450,000, right? So now I want to share with you how you're going to search for Creative Commons video, right? So let's say baby song. Type in here baby song. When you land over to YouTube, you type in something, then you can see here there is a filter feature here. Just click on the filter features and go to features tab, scroll over down, and you can see a Creative Commons here. Just click on the Creative Commons. So right after you click, all those videos that appear on YouTube is a Creative Commons video. All this video has a Creative Commons license, so you literally can download it back and reuse it for your own good. So for example, let's click one of this video, pause it first, and then classic version baby shark. So I click show more and scroll over until down of this video. As you can see here, the license, this is the type of license, right? So Creative Commons attribution license, reuse allowed. So simply bang, so you literally can download this video and reuse it back with a permission, guys. You're not gonna get banned from YouTube and etc., because no one can do that, because you just download a Creative Commons video, which is you are allowed to do that, right? So that's pretty much it. So you can choose either baby song, relaxing music, sleep music, create your own channel regarding all this type of music. And also I just want to let you know, this is just some example. If you have some idea that has a lot of searches on YouTube, for example like gaming or something, right? The scary things, something interesting like cooking channel also nowadays can generate a lot of view also. So you just can proceed with that your style, right? But if you don't have any idea, you can proceed with the keyword that I provide you in this video. Alright guys, so it brings us to the conclusion here. So let's wrap up the conclusion. Number 1, you have to create your YouTube channel. Number 2, search the Creative Commons video using one of the keywords that I had suggested. So it's really depends on you. If you have any idea, just proceed with your idea. So if you don't have, just proceed with my idea. So download the video and then re-upload the video. If you want to make it more special, you can edit. If you don't know how to edit, you just reuse it back and then keep on uploading each and every single day. And number 5, rinse and repeat the process until your channel get 1000 subscribers and 4000 view hours. So in order for you to be able to start making money with YouTube ads, you have to follow their rules, which is you have first get 1000 subscribers, and then you also have to have 4000 view hours, right? But if you use one of the keyword that I gave you here, I think it's pretty easy to get to reach a YouTube requirement. So I hope you got tremendous value in this video, and please subscribe to my channel if you like more video regarding how to make money online the easiest way. Just subscribe to my channel, and don't forget hit the bell notification as well, so that you get notified whenever I come out with new video. And if you have some comment, if you have some question, just comment down below. I will try to reach you, reply to you back, or if you have some idea to share, or if you had already used this technique, just comment also down below, share with other people, and then we can change our thought and stuff like that. So see you on my next video. Bye bye.